Hello everyone, welcome to my class once again. Today I'm here with part 5 of the story Should Wizard Hit Mommy? So till now we have seen that the father Jack, every day he used to end the story happily with a happy ending, but that particular Saturday he made a twist in the story and ended the story like this, that Roger Skunk's mom, when she got the smell of roses from his body, she took back her son to the wizard, hit the wizard on the head, and asked him to give him back his original smell. Thus, Roger Skunk started smelling as he used to do previously. That means a foul smell once again was coming from his body, and his mother was very happy after that, because she said that now her baby seems to be her own baby. He is having the typical smell that skunks generally have, and she was very happy. They came back home. Their father also came back from his work, and they sat down for dinner, and then they were happily, and this way the mother was very happy. She hugged her son, and thus the story ended. Now after the story was ended, Joe asked her father that if Roger Skunk got back his mad smell, then the other animals, they must be running away from him as they were doing previously. They won't come to him because of his bad smell. The father said no. Eventually they got habituated to it, and even with his bad smell, he was having friends and everyone was playing with him. Now, according to the little girl Joe, the mother was a stupid mother. She said that it was very stupid of Roger Skunk's mommy to take her back to the wizard and insist the wizard to give him back his old smell, bad old smell. It was very stupid of her rather. The father said that no, she was not right in thinking so, as according to the father, whatever our parents do for us, whatever decision they take for us, it is always for our betterment, it is always for our good. So Roger Skunk's mommy was also right in taking that particular decision. And then Jack asked Joe to go to sleep because her brother Bobby was already asleep. But she was not ready to sleep. She sat up on the bed. She was rather bouncing on the bed, and then she started telling her father that next day the father will end the story like this, that the wizard hit back the mother. She just was not ready to accept the end of the story. Why? Because she was a small girl. She was far away of the harsh reality of life. Reality of life is this, that things every time does not happen as we want it to happen. Things takes its own course. Everything takes its own course, and it is not necessary that whatever we want to happen should happen every time. But Joe was only 4 years old. She was too young to understand that. Still, the father, you can say, purposely ended the story with that ending, because he wanted to make his daughter realize at that young age that she must be ready every time to face the realities of life, the harsh realities of life. But the daughter kept on insisting that no, the story should be ended in a different way the next day, and the father was also telling him that no, he will not end the story that way, he will end the story in a different way. The story will end the way he has ended it. Saying this, the father asked her to go to bed, and he went downstairs where his wife was working. Now As he got down, he saw his wife painting some of the chairs and other things, and she was wearing Jack's over her loose dress. She was wearing Jack's shirt. Seeing her working as a responsible husband, Jack should have gone and helped her in doing the work, because she was pregnant, 6 months pregnant. But he kept on continued sitting over there, did not bother to go to his wife, help her out with the work, and he felt he had a very, you can say, a very different kind of feeling. He felt as if he and his wife, they were caught in a cage, and he was unable to come out of that cage, and where the situation was such that he did not want to talk with his wife, he did not want to touch his wife, he did not want to work with her. Why it happened? Because Jack, as I have previously told you, was a dominant person. He was having a dominating personality, and that's why he did not want people to take him for granted. When he came down, Claire complained that he took much time. He must be telling a long story. He saw Claire wearing his shirt, so he thought Claire was trying to take his place in the family, which was not to his liking. All right, and that's the reason why he felt that he was caught in this ugly middle position where he was not interested in doing anything. So this is the end of the story. So the story gives this message. The way the story was ended by Jack gives this message that in our life we should not change ourselves, our personalities, in order to get accepted by other people. Whatever we are, however we are, we should remain, we should stay or retain our characteristic traits. All right, students, this much only in this video.